Hi students, this is continuous sixth lecture. In sixth lecture, last time we have studied about the kingdom Protista, second kingdom. Today we are studying third kingdom Plantae. The kingdom is dominated by autotrophs, means all the plants on the earth are included in the kingdom Plantae, and these are called as the autotrophs. It also includes some semi-autotrophic members. The some are insectivorous plants like Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, bladderwort, as well as heterotrophic parasitic members like Cuscuta. Means some are insectivorous, कीटक भक्षी, some are parasitic, Cuscuta, Amarvel. Members of this kingdom are multicellular, having eukaryotic cells containing chlorophyll. Cells have cell wall mostly made up of cellulose. Plants exhibit alternation of generation, that is, life cycle has two distinct phases. This kingdom Plantae is divided into two major groups, that is cryptogamy or cryptogams, means without seeds or non-flowering plants, and second phanerogamy or phanerogams, that is plants with seeds and flowers. Cryptogamy also called non-flowering plants and phanerogamy called flowering plants. We will study this kingdom in detail in chapter number 3, because the name of chapter number 3 is Kingdom Plantae. In that chapter we will discuss in detail about the kingdom Plantae. This is about the third kingdom. Now we will continue fourth kingdom, that is kingdom Fungi. बुरशी, फंगाय म्हणजे बुरशी. These are eukaryotic heterotrophs showing extracellular digestion. हेटेरोट्रॉप्स दुसऱ्यावरती जगणारे आणि दुसऱ्या शरीरावरती मृत पालापाचोळ्यावरती जगणारे आणि त्याचं पचन करणारे. They are found in warm and humid places. They have simple body which may be unicellular or made up of long thread-like structures called hyphae. Large fungi such as mushrooms have a compact mass of cells. Unicellular organisms have protoplast with many nuclei. Example, Rhizopus, Saccharomyces, or yeast unicellular fungus. That is kingdom fungi's introductions. Then this kingdom fungi shows other characters. Now see the characters of kingdom fungi. Here kingdom fungi shows filamentous structures. Means we continue about the characters of fungi. Filamentous fungi consist of a body called mycelium. Now see the word mycelium. If you observe the penicillium, then another fungus which are growing on the bread, they shows mycelium in which hyphae are present. The hyphae may be with septa or without septa. Septa or without septa. They may be uni or multicellular. The non-septate multinucleate hyphae are called सिनोसायटिक hyphae. म्हणजे ज्याच्यामध्ये न्यूक्लियस नाही आणि नॉन सेप्टेट, फांद्या नाहीत पण न्यूक्लियस मल्टीन्यूक्लिएट आहेत, याला काय म्हटलं, सिनोसायटिक hyphae. The cell wall in fungi is composed of chitin, or also termed as the chitin. It is called chitin or chitin. The cell wall in fungi is particularly composed of chitin, a polysaccharide or fungal cellulose. Majority plant shows chitin and some shows polysaccharide cellulose. The fungi exhibit heterotrophic mode of nutrition, means they are always growing on the other dead plant body materials or dead animals. Mostly they are saprophytic. Then what is meant by saprophytic? Growing on the dead parts. Some are parasitic and some are predators. They reproduce sexually as well as asexually. Asexual reproduction takes place by fragmentation, fusion and budding. Some fungi are symbiotic, either live with algae as lichens or as mycorrhiza. We'll study in detail about the lichens and mycorrhiza in third chapter. They are living in association with roots of higher plants, mycorrhiza. They are useful as well as harmful, means fungus, some fungus are harmful, some are useful. Mushrooms are consumed as a food. Yeast is used in bakery and breweries. Penicillium, a famous fungus, is well known for antibiotic production. Harmful fungi cause diseases in plants and animals. Example, Puccinia. Puccinia, it is one fungus. It causes a disease on the wheat plant. मराठीत त्याला आपण तांबेरा रोग गावावरती पडला म्हणतो. The fungi are further classified on basis of their structure, mode of spore formation and fruiting bodies as follows. That is, they are divided into three groups or three classes. That is, first is the Phycomycetes, second Ascomycetes, third Basidiomycetes, fourth Deuteromycetes. That is 4 different classes of the fungi. Now first we'll discuss about the first class of the fungus, that is the Phycomycetes. These are commonly called algal fungi. Then why they are called algal fungi? They are grow in association with the algae. Mycelium is made up of aseptate sinusoidal hyphae. They commonly grow in moist and damp habitats on decaying organic matter as well as in aquatic habitats or as parasites on plants. Example of Phycomycetes is the mucor, rhizopus, that is a bread mold. जे भाकरीच्या तुकडीवरती जी बुरशी वाढते त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, rhizopus. Then albugo, it is one parasitic fungus, grows on the mustard. This is the first class of the fungus called Phycomycetes. Then second class, that is Ascomycetes. These are called as sac fungi. Sac means bag-like. These fungi are mostly multicellular. Rarely unicellular varieties include yeast. Yeast म्हणजे किनवा आपण पाहतो बेकरीमध्ये, युनिसेल्युलर असतं. The hyphae are branched and septate. Sac fungi can be decomposers, parasites or coprophilous, means grow on dung, म्हणजे शेणावरती वाढणार असतो तो कॉप्रोफिलस. डिकम्पोजर्स कुजवणारे आणि पॅरासाइट्स काही सजीवांच्या अंगावरती वाढणारे. देन मोरल्स अँड ट्रफल्स आर व्हरायटीज ऑफ सॅक फंगाय दॅट आर कंज्युम्ड ॲज डेलिसीज. हा महत्त्वाचा मुद्दा आहे. मोरल्स अँड ट्रफल्स म्हणजे मशरूम म्हणतो आपण, अळिंब, भूचत्र. आपण हॉटेलमध्ये गेल्यानंतर काही वेळेस मशरूमची डिश वापरतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द मोरल्स अँड ट्रफल्स आर व्हरायटीज ऑफ सॅक फंगाय दॅट आर कंज्युम्ड ॲज डेलिसीज. जे डेलिशियस पदार्थ म्हणून त्याचा वापर केला जातो. देन न्यूरोस्पोरा इज युजफुल इन जेनेटिक अँड बायोकेमिकल ॲसेज. Now see the examples of Ascomycetes. First that is the Aspergillus. See the diagram shown in the textbook. This is the Aspergillus. Then see another example, penicillium. All of you know about the penicillium. It is used for the production of antibiotics. Third example, claviceps. Fourth, neurospora. And fifth, Saccharomyces. These are the different examples of class Ascomycetes. Then third class of the fungi, that is Basidiomycetes. Here we will continue about the Basidiomycetes. Now see characters of Basidiomycetes, third class. These are commonly called club fungi because they are growing in the groups or in the clubs, hence called as the club fungi. They have branched septate hyphae. Now see the example, agaricus mushroom, gonoderma, that is the bracket fungus, ustilago, these are the smuts, and पक्षिनिया, these are the rust. उष्टिलॅगो हा उसावरती पडणारा रोग आहे. उसाच्या पानावरती जो लालसर रंग दिसतो आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो, उष्टिलॅगो स्मट्स. आणि पक्षिनिया, इट इज अ रस्ट occurs on the wheat leaves. This is about the third class of the fungi, that is Basidiomycetes. Then we will continue fourth class of the fungi, that is called as the Detromycetes. That is fourth class, Detromycetes. These are called imperfect fungi. It's another name, imperfect fungi, which are known to reproduce only asexually. They are not produced sexually, hence they are called as the imperfect fungi. Then what is its example? Alternaria, Coleotrichum. These are the examples of Detromycetes. Now we'll continue about another next point or next kingdom at the next time, that is the fifth kingdom remaining, Animalia. We'll discuss in detail about the fifth kingdom at the time of seventh lecture. We'll stop here. Next time continue about the fifth kingdom, that is the Animalia. Okay, thank you.